After many weeks of careful study and many Ben Eater videos, as well as textbook reference and so forth, I finally figured out how an SR latch works. This is one of the building blocks of computer memory. It's actually a simplified version of something called a flip-flop. But this here is an SR latch. It's powered just by 5 volts by my Arduino. And it's pretty cool. It's just a set and reset latch, so it remembers a single bit of memory. And here it goes. And then reset, set, reset, set, reset. All made possible by this 74LS02 quad dual input NOR gate IC. Very cool, but this delightful piece is used all over the place. In the 555 timer, it's used as a comparator, and it's basically the thing that creates the oscillating on-off signals. This, by the way, is my toy organ. We were playing with this earlier.